Dining kitchen light.
I see.
Whoa. Whoa.
Have champagne.
Look at this.
Chef.
Whoa.
Chef.
Florida.
Yes, man, you know. Straight.
Wine. Wine, please. Wine.
So the wine. You don't pull our body already. You pull our body already.
That's easy. Hey.
The time, you're going to the time pour it, fall.
Yeah.
Pull your body, girl.
Hey, two-pack, wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow pack.
Are you tight, neat? You seem tight?
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain.
I just
You know.
feel like doing. Hey, must say, hey girl, hey.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Good morning, guys. Blessed love. Welcome. It's a wonderful morning. Woo! It's gonna be that day. You know, it is that day. You know, guys. Thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, thank you so much. So you know, this is the morning where we and the members them, and also D Mwango, and also Sean Arwa as well. So we're gonna head down in Ochi by that wonderful Airbnb, you know, that was given to us, you know, and a blessings of one of our extended family who's a donor of our program. You know, in just blessing us, gifting us with these blessings because of the good work that the Dream Team is doing here. You know, and trust me, you know, it come at the right time. You know, a lot of relief. You know, as I'm saying, community, you know, is a bit ups and downs. So at least now the members them can get something to take off their mind. You know, to go spend a weekend and relax and enjoy themselves. You know, so this will be definitely a continuous blessings. You know, as what we spoke about. You know, we and the husband and wife. You know, it's husband and wife that owns it and everything, guys. So trust me. This means the world right now, cause trust me, woo, cause you know the members them is gonna really enjoy themselves, you know, and this one. I thank you so much, guys, for watching the videos. Thank you so much for put the thumbs up when you're watching, you know. Trust me, we love the support. I would thank you so much. I will give thanks. I will thank you know. Whoa! And we have Resort Baby. And we have Resort Baby here, ready up and running. You know.
Full joy, thankful.
Yeah.
For the 2 days. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, that husband and wife, they want to remain unknown, you know.
Big up yourself, unknown.
Unknown, big up yourself in the unknown.
Whoa, you know, they said this is the New York trip.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Yeah, man, you see?
Yeah.
New York trip, man. You know, see nothing yet, man. You see? Yankee style, and I'm going to go down and see the whole full Yankee, you know?
Yeah. That is it, guys.
See me, I say.
So the whole chef is ready.
Latisha go and hold it, you see?
Like mullet.
Mullet, you see?
Guys, so you see, whole chef is ready. You know the thing goes, so waiting on Mother Teresa and the rest of the team to come out, so just stay tuned. Yes, guys, I'm waiting on these ladies. Oh. Said I'm waiting on these ladies to get ready. Let's go. There's one thing I'm saying. When ladies is getting ready, if you're going somewhere for 7 o'clock, tell them you're leaving for 4 o'clock. Oh, no, not all ladies, sorry. Not Isha is ready. Not Isha is ready. Because you know why? When Natisha hear her middle name, Airbnb or resort, she will be ready, you know.
It's the time of my life, of course.
Of course, it's in the pool, in the pool. Oh, here's Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is ready.
I Good morning, my extended family.
Okay, Mother Teresa is ready. So we got lady number 2 is ready. So we have.
Can't leave flight set. Oh, you mean the flight cannot leave? But the flight said 9 o'clock.
Shara, what you peeping out for? I'm zooming in.
Yeah, giant.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm ready from.
Remember, say, we never forgot having no bag in our hand.
Yeah, we know.
You know, because the space is limited.
Boy, I'm ready. First, me say boy, I'm ready before 8 o'clock.
You know?
Boy, I'm well, choose.
Yeah, the whole chef is ready because he want to walk up and down first.
Come down early, but never go.
You wanna find? Yes, guys. So hey, so we're waiting on D1 go Esther, Bombing Ball, and Aishan Awa, you know, to come so we can eat the road, Jack. You know, so when we get down here early, so we can at least go and enjoy, you know. Pass by the beach, if it's so, you know, pass by the beach, road through the town, you know, it goes, you know, make the whole chef, yeah, because the whole chef say he's going to Florida, so you know we have to make the whole chef reach Florida and walk the side, right? So nothing, just that she's not going to Florida with the wow. So I guess, I don't know how they're going to work it out, but I'm going on the same plane, you know, that is it, the same plane. This is the morning here in Trenchtown. As you can see how it is in the morning here. Morning, so people take them time, gone to work. You don't really see anyone much on the streets. You know, more than a chair, a car, and the shops. That is it. No
one to see
right.
Come, Jimmy.
Good morning.
Come on.
Dream, good morning.
Morning.
Morning. What are you eating? Bubble gum.
Yeah.
Eating bubble gum?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have some?
Yeah, Jimmy, you know.
It done? It not done.
You see it? Yeah, man.
Aye, Max. It's not done. Give me some.
Jimmy Black, yeah.
Give me some now.
Jimmy.
Give me some now. Damn. Wow. It done? Oh.
Alright, Jimmy.
What should I give you, Daddy?
Jimmy, yeah. Jimmy.
Alright, guys, so we're going to head out. So, guys, we have met a complication where in one of my cars is a 6-seater. So, we got the 4 seats, 2 seats at the back. So, whenever I put the 2 seats at the back now, the holding area we put baggage or everything got small. So, D-Mongo and Esther them, you know, decide they're gonna take a bus down. Yes, so D-Mongo decide they're gonna take a bus down with Aishana and Esther, you know, to accompany them. So we're gonna make our way down, you know, and we're gonna meet them up somewhere down there in Ocho while we just carry on our journey, because Lisa she wanted to go take the bus, you know, so because I have so many bags. You know, ladies as well carry a lot of bags and stuff, so that's what we have to work with today, you know. So let's see how it works out, guys. So stay tuned, you know. So I'm gonna show you how the car is loaded. You know, let's show you how the car is loaded now. So right now it's in the back. Oh, we have a, so this is the spare and the suitcase, and in here is where we have the extra seats then. But look at this, loaded. So these would be the 2 spare seats, as you can see, and we have a suitcase and the spare. So, and the spare never, this car never built with a spare to go under. The spare have to always be in that spot. So, get them. Wow, frightened? I think the police are check me. Oh. So here we have Wow Chef rolling.
Oh, yeah, man.
And we have Mother Teresa around there and Natisha. You know. So over there you have the bags them loaded.
Yes,
so guys, so what was gonna do? we're gonna travel like the way you see we're traveling. 3 persons would have traveling here and 2 persons here at the back. You know, but too many bags, it wouldn't hold everyone. So
Yeah.
I guess Dee decided say she wanna go take the bus, you know, and with Shana Hour, right? And she asked Esther to accompany her.
Yeah.
Right, so Dee said, oh, remember I was living in Ochi, so she said she know the thing. So she decided say she wanna go and do that. So guys, I'm just gonna take my time to drive down to Ochi now. So and go and try and check in for whenever they get there. So this is our journey now. We're gonna head out.
Straight out, you know.
Straight out the road.
Yeah, man.
Tell them where you're going, Ocho.
Head out. And we're going to head in.
Yeah.
You see me I say, yeah man.
Head
Florida,
out.
Straight to Florida we are going.
Alright.
Yeah, we done there in Miami already, so we don't have to take the plane, so we just drive. Yeah man. You see? Yeah man.
Hey. Ocho said done there in Miami already, so you now take no plane, it's a drive.
Yeah, it's a drive. We done there in Miami already, so we just go across and reach to Florida, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah man.
So you bring a swimwear?
Yeah man. Everything
swimming
there,
trunks.
Man. Everything there, man, you know?
And you have your passport ready?
Yeah man. Everything
Visa stamp in it, right?
Whoa. Yes man. Twice, you know?
Ocho got his stamp, guys, so we're going to Florida. Right, no, nothing sure you got your stamp?
Right, no.
Always have my stamp.
Always.
The last time we go Fort Lauderdale, a peer problem down there with Oliver and the whole team. So on the Ocho gonna create the same madness with Natisha again.
No sir.
Problem free.
You're problem free.
Oh, man, once Natisha did man, you know.
Yeah, everything good.
Everything good, man.
Alright then.
Man, I tell you something and this.
Yeah. Not once but twice.
Twice, man, see?
Alright then guys, so we're heading out. So this is the journey. The journey there to Ocho Rios. So you know the thing though, whenever them hear that them always say, you know, put on your seat belt. You know, guys, so make sure you put on the seat belt before you tell them not once but twice.
Alright.
So
Twice, man.
that is it.
Right, is it?
Well guys, so we just arrived here in Ochi. You know, we at the regular spot. You know, we at our regular spot. Come now, we are walk down so get too fatty. Look at the outside. Go on freestyle. So Kingston come to town. Kingston come to Ochi town.
You see me I say?
Oh, sorry, I'm not Ochi town, I'm Florida here, brother.
Oh.
You forgot?
Change it.
I'm Florida here.
You know, we say Florida, but you know?
You know?
Florida, man. Now watch your face, but look on it how it stay.
Yeah.
So we have to go time and so we reach Miami.
Alright. Yeah, this is it. So guys, so we're
We're not coming back.
someone calling the Natish. What? She said just fly in. Guys, Natisha just fly in, so you know she's getting the attention already. I'm gonna want something out the suitcase. He's gonna need something out the suitcase. So this. So welcome to the main street. So this is the main street. So like how you like just come to Florida, you like want to try the Florida party?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it, man.
You want to try Florida party, right?
Lots of Jamaican party beats, you know, try the Florida party.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'll try them, man. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll try the Florida party, you know?
Alright guys, so we're gonna make them try the Florida party then, right? Since they reach Florida.
Yeah, man.
I've met the wow chef try the Florida party. It's like over here on the main street, you know. Giving them a wow chef, you ever come on the main street yet? First time?
First time on the main
Natisha?
street, you know?
First. Teresa? Okay.
I'm family in Ocho, but I normally go money.
Oh, you got that side? Okay. So guys, this is their first time here on the main street, you know, here. So Natisha said she always go the opposite side. Ocean first time here as well too. Mother Teresa first time. So no, I am the tour guide here. You know, so you know I become a tour guide, so I'm guiding them around. So we are tours. Yes. So we are tour them on the main street. We show them the main street. This is so guys. So this is the main street for all the tourists. Them. So like how you are tourists, this is your main street.
Okay.
Where you can find all the gift shops. You know where you can get here. Anything you can think about, right? So when you're ready, you can take it back to Jamaica.
Nice.
I like the view already, right?
Nice.
It's a different feelings.
Yes.
So guys, so welcome to the tour, right? So we're here on the main street, Ocho Rios, you know. It's wonderful here, wonderful and nice. The sun feels different though. It don't feel hot. It won't. They say the sun feels different.
Different climate. Just no water running.
Yeah.
Dry skin.
It's a dry skin. Nothing.
No wet skin. Unless you go in the pool.
Unless you go in the pool. I'm going on a tour of this park. You know, this is called Turtle River. It's called Turtle River Park. Blessed fire. Big up. Rasta man. See you like, how you like? Which one you like? She, Natish, Natisha, you're gonna stay here, sit down there with him and give him a talk, man. Where say she like Rasta man?
Make a tour and come back. Yeah, make a tour and come back.
Yeah man, so where you say, ready for the date? Alright, we'll give her a tour of the park, right? She will be come back. So this park named Turtle River Park. Turtle River Park. Nice little park, you can come and chill. Wow chef type of park, you know. It is nice. It's peaceful and quiet, you know, tranquility. It's relaxing. Very relaxing. Because even when time we come meet Oliver, we never come this side, Natisha. We go to the other side because we go and eat and then we went to Dunn River.
Yeah, went to Shark Caves.
Yeah, I went to Shark. Well, chef, you never come to Dunn River with us. No, it was Hero.
Hero.
Yeah, it was Hero.
Eat shark.
Eat a big shark.
Eat shark.
Alright, so just give me a hello. Just give me a minute tour of the park. Turtle Park. So where you and everybody go and eat is somewhere on the other side. I think no, it's over there. Remember, it's over that side. Now Oliver go eat. Not the Sharkies, but the burger with an ear and everything. Right across over there. I'm safe in the turtle in the water right now. See a fish there? Wow, where is it? Ready for steam? You ready for steam? Wow. Oh, whoa. They say ready for the pot right now, you know, fish. Oh, chef is ready for you for the pot. Watch them big ones over here. Look on these ones. Whoa.
Oh yeah, them are pretty.
Look on these ones.
Them color pretty though.
Yeah, these are the pet ones. Forgot the name of them. So these are the pet fish here. There's some big one right now we can steam. Guys, we say you're ready to steam 2 fish. Just let me know. You know, ever steamed pet fish before. So this is the Turtle River Park. It's Turtle River Park here. You know, in Ocho, where you can come whenever you come Ocho and feel like to come have a chill in the park. You know, this is the spot. Look at these nice fish. Are you there? Come here. You can touch it. Nice. It's a nice sunny day here. Can't big though. Very big. Oh, chef, hold some of them 1 sec. And tell them to press it. Oh, come aside. No. Big boy. So guys, so even in the night, in here is so lit. You know, with all the pepper lights, because you see them have the pepper lights and everything. So in the night, these trees comes alive. They're so, in here is bright. See, you have the Christmas over there, you have the reindeers and everything. In here get well bright in the night. Come here, wow, Natish, come. Mother Teresa enjoying our well-deserved break. You know? Well-deserved break. Alright, what this side, come. Celebrity him over there. Whoa, you know? Hey, whoa, nah, leave Natisha at all. Keep her by your side, whoa. Guys, only when wow chef out, he never leave Natisha alone. Hey, whoa. Yeah. He said the ice a drip.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Man, and I see next one in the bag, you know? Pop up, you know?
Yeah, come. Hey. You see, in the night as well, the pepper lights them turn on and everything.
Light up.
Yeah. And later on, walk come out here, you can see out here the place light up. Nice. This guys, this park, look at this park here, it's very, very beautiful. Very nice. Well, we're not seeing a turtle right now, like they've been hiding. You know what them turtle them there. Turtle they're missing in action. So this park is really nice. So you know, Ocho Rios is known, you know, for its tourist attraction, you know. This is the north coast side where you can, when you come to Jamaica. If you've never been to Jamaica before, you're watching my program, you know. Ocho Rios is one of the main tourist attraction place. Down here it's called the north coast, you know. This is one of the main attraction place tourists. The tourists always comes, you know. This is where tourists always comes, you know, to enjoy themselves. The wonderful beaches and everything down here in Ocho Rios, you know. It's so nice down here. Welcome to Jam Rock. Natisha, when you finish, your phone is full. Pure memories. So you have to capture these moments, you know. Oh, if you got your phone?
Yeah, man.
So you got memory space? No. You just go and take till you see it. Yeah. Leave all my battery in the car. Hey. Lodi. Take a look.
That's the bargain center.
Bargain center. Yeah, that's the bargains. They get the best for less.
Every phone purchase over 11,500 down at the Blue Store, 32 Main Street, Seahouse Plaza. We have discounted Android phone for 10,500, 11,500, 12,500, 13,500, and even 15,500. So if you want a free SIM card and cheap.
Bee planting.
The word is no. Idiot. The word is no. The word is no.
So guys, so welcome back to Ochi. Once more again, we down here walking the soil of Ochi. I know you see familiar places and not any familiar faces, but only my face, the familiar one. Wow, chef. So the herbal man here for you. Herbal man for you. Yeah.
That's a talk with the herbal man.
Oh, so the herbal man.
Anna, so.
Anna.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. What you
You
doing?
remember who this?
Morning.
You remember who, guys?
Kino.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Kino.
Oh, there, man.
May you call you recently, ain't it?
Yeah, yeah.
You show me so wise then.
Yeah.
So when that I go?
I'm telling him I come back down here.
When
When
you
I come
doing?
back. No, cause I ask when me I pass through again, you know? So you can big up the people them and then you could think they were they call you. Remember you say you got some phone calls and things.
Yeah, some of them call me and what happened that me have a problem there with. Like getting the things together.
Oh.
Because we send off some and
In a reach?
no. It reach but them don't get.
Oh, custom hold on to it.
Custom hold on to.
Oh.
Because I don't have the license for that.
Okay.
You know.
So that's a difficult.
But what happened is that if we have those who have contacts like relatives in the place to pick up the thing,
I'm bringing
it happen.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Or if they come in the place and come check me, live and direct. Come here, always cut a little portion out here.
Yeah.
So if I have an order, I can deliver because I have a barrage of medicine well set and ready to deliver.
Yes.
Why am I seeing that the holiday period, man?
Yeah, man, I've been busy, man. You know the thing, I've been busy. I just reached from Kingston.
Okay.
You know, so these are my family years from Kingston. I bring them down here, you know?
Oh, respect, man. Streams is the name.
Streams,
yeah. I'm saying, I know you're a countryman.
I grip there for a while, I got a grip there, and medicine I grip there for a while.
Yeah.
Where he's fancy, you know.
Oh, she will see that strong grip there?
Man,
Just give me a while, I got the medicine make it happen.
I 75 and change now, on the 29th, 11:48, you know. You look a big talk, we really go so. Me working now. But me not boast like with you. Lift me unto God for the show.
Yeah.
But the little boy have come touch me, forget to put start, man.
Yeah.
Mon cocoa plum, a factual thing, man.
Of course. The man say my work. You know?
So,
So like how you work, we are jerk.
No, I know you're town, man. From here, your vibes, I know you're state.
so you have a bitters there to one them
Me have bitters, man. Yeah, man. So I'm bitters.
Alright,
Would even sell you for, would even sell you like come to sell some.
Me I come help you.
Because you come with them
Yeah.
big man, so you don't know.
understand, man.
You feel half price. Because you know with them man here, man. Brother and friend and
Every time.
God and them.
Every time. Strong, you know?
Yeah,
Man say
man.
my
Yeah, man.
work. Oh, chef, where you want? Something for the belly, something for the back,
Oh,
or
no,
something for the
man.
baby?
Talk up the thing, man.
Alright, no, look. I make you know, I make you know.
Oh, make
Alright.
you know what. Take off something now, man.
Hey, him coming in the video with
Malinda.
huh?
Malinda.
No man, Valiant man.
Oh.
Eh, you know the song where him say?
Yeah, man, Valiant, man.
Where him say my boy say again where him say again at it?
Man, I live like.
Yeah, man, I live like Rasta.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No need no pack in that.
Yeah, no beef, no
Hey,
fat.
Kino,
the same.
why you run back the thing, man, sir, because not really go on, you know.
Yes.
You know, when you touch Easter, what happened is that the people, them on the whole, some of them they all have it like that before.
Yeah.
But it's a traditional thing. What happened is that everybody put out all their effort and emphasis to buy a little bun, a piece of cheese, whether they worth it or not. And if them are big in that season, I want bun and cheese. So you know them empty now.
Yes. So right now we just a rebuild back.
Yeah.
So
I needed
back.
to knit me up back with the outsiders.
Yes.
Because you know some coming in now.
Just give yourself a shout out and tell them man where you have and where them can find.
You mean
and how-
right now?
Yes, and how them can get you.
Hold on, how should I start by saying who I am,
What's your,
etc.?
them know your name, what you have, and how them can
Well,
get
my name is Dr. Streams, the herbal doctor. I do herbal medicine. I do medicines like for poor circulation of the blood,
you. Yeah.
sugar, pressure, sinus, arthritis, kidney problem, black tube, fibroids, yeast infection, back pain, belly pain, period pain, detoxing of the body, prostate cancer, pile, epilepsy, gallstone, heart, kidney, liver, sleeping disorder, sexual disorder, nerve, tonic, stampede, bitters, acid reflux. My detox clean the colon, clean the bladder, purify your blood. In the colon, in the bile, in the biliousness, in the venal disease, in the back pain, belly pain, in the bad cells, destroy, create new cells. And I sell a tonic called solid as a rock for the big man them which isn't too bossy downstairs.
Yeah.
The little man not too bossy, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to spike it up,
Yeah.
boost the system right back up.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
give them your contact number so we're
Oh, my number 523-1653. Dr. Streams, herbal doctor.
that is it.
S-T-R-E-A-M-S. Like river streams, no?
Yes. Dr.
Yeah.
Stream.
And I can be found in Ocho Rios. I'm well known in this place. I can be found anywhere.
Anyway.
Just buzz me, yeah? I'll be there for you.
Alright then. So big up streams, you know?
God blessing, my brother.
Keep it intact. So we're gonna make a walk and show them what go on.
Yes,
and we'll
man.
keep in contact, yeah?
Yeah, man. Lovely ladies.
Yes.
God bless you. That's your friend. Yeah, brother. Love you now. What soon
I
again?
get the
Yeah.
distance, man. Don't worry, sir.
Yeah.
I get back. I get to
Blessing. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, stream. Yes, guys, that is Talk to the Herbal Man. That is Dr. Streams, you know. And give all the rules to run straight down your stream. The blood stream, that stream, the back stream, any stream, all the streams. You know, you name the stream that got the problem. You know, that's where it acts. Right now.
So she's not supposed to dip, she's supposed to pick up.
Yeah, nothing.
And normally me and Boom and Oliver and Carla over there. The Moon Palace. Yeah. Over there. That is the Moon Palace. So when Boom and watch it, Boom like, yeah, Keen, I'm a member over there. That's the Moon Palace. You know? Where I walk on the big stairs them. That is the Moon Palace over there. Where's the Natisha deal with Hilton? That is the wonderful Moon Palace, you know. Over there, really nice. So right up here, we're going in the town. Right up here is Ocho Town. It's a hotel over there. Oh, no, it's here No, every town have a clock. So this is the Ocho Town clock. Right up there.
Pineapple car, rock of a star, bus. Rock of a star, pineapple car.
So guys, you know, so well, D's not here yet, so we're gonna get some patty for the time being. See whenever they get here, you know, get the team some patty and cocoa bread, you know, get the stomach something. Yes guys, so we just had our party. Too bad I never get any. Sorry, I never get you guys no parties, you know, but sometimes it is what it is, you know. But we got our parties and then we're gonna check in, you know, and wait till when D-Mongers when we get here, because we're here now and they think they will be here about next hour and a half, you know, we take them to get here next, you know. So we're just gonna check in now and then we're gonna make the guys them go and enjoy themselves. They want to swim in the pool, you know, do what they want to do, you know, and I'll just wait to when D them is here so I can go and pick them up back same place here in the town. So I'm just gonna find the location where the Airbnb is and then just go and check in and relax my legs a little till when them the guests back, I just go and pick them up, and then I can go and have my swim, you know. So maybe we'll cook, maybe we will go to the beach tomorrow. Today we'll probably do food, you know, just come out, get some stuff to go back to the Airbnb to cook, you know, because you know it's Airbnb, so there's a lot of us, so might as well get food to cook than to buy, you know. So that will be the aim today. So that will be the plan today, to just buy stuff to go and cook, like there's so much of us, right? So yes, and we also have the war chef, and you have me the chef, you have B the chef, you have Esther the chef, we have pure chef, no, D the cook, Esther the cook, Anglais, you know, so lots of us, pure chefs and chef. Irie, cool man. Yeah man, so it was a journey, so now we're finally home. This is where we're gonna call home for the next couple of days. You know, our chef say him just land in Florida, you know, so I guess the pool is somewhere around here in the area. We have to walk and go find it. Yes guys, so let's go inside and give you a room tour. Wow, you ready?
Yeah man, take off my socks, you know.
Oh, you know, and the pool's supposed to warm, you know.
Too warm.
Oh, you're too warm. Oh chef want jump into that right now.
Warm, man.
Alright then, so. Well. Wow. Yeah man. Wow. Turn the lights on. So guys, so look at this. Wow. This is so lovely. So nice, you know. We have TV on wall, as you can see. We have settee. In Jamaica, some say couch, you know, and some say settee, you know. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seated. The kitchen counter, look at this kitchen counter. Kitchen counter is really nice, guys. You know, kitchen counter is nice. I like this kitchen. Yes, I like this kitchen. You know, this light as well too. Look how classy this is. This is so classy. You know, this kitchen. I like this kitchen area. It's good for the wall cooking. You know the thing go. You know, big stove. So let's see, microwave, big enough. You know the thing go. Cupboards. Wait, let me see it. Not yet. I want to make sure so we have the pots and everything to cook. That's what we're searching for right now. Oh, so you have seasoning as well to here, all purpose. You know the thing already, all purpose. So maybe it's over here. Find the pots, close. Where's the pots? Whoa. Oh, thank God. We got the pots them in here. Oh, big pot. Alright. So we have the pots them in there, so that's good. Cups here. Plates. Okay. We got salt. We got coffee. You want a coffee? Okay. We good. So with this cupboard now, when you pull it, just pull it out like this. And you got your big pots, everything, you know, so like he knows it's gonna be a big cooking gonna go on. So we have the big pots them. Right. So nice. The living area is so nice. You know, as you can see guys, kitchen, you know, we have a big fridge as well too. Whoa! Natish, where they at? So we have the fan. That said fan. So there you go. Fan start to spin. Come in, ladies. Come have a look. So you have living room light. Right. LED. Wow. Bling bling. Living room light. You have dining. Wow, let there be light. So you have, so look at that. I like that idea with the lights. Whoa, ladies, and relax. Oh god. So we have the kitchen one as well too. Kitchen. Wow. Kitchen light is on. Getting the lights on. You know, dining table. Wow. Like when you say light, camera, action, dining kitchen light. Whoa. Look at this.
Chef.
Whoa. Florida.
Yes, man, you know. Straight.
Wine, please. Wine.
Find it.
Wine.
Find the wine.
Find the wine and give the ladies wine. Alright, and the fridge. Whoa, complimentary. We got water, you know, cran water as well too. Thank you so much. You know, guys, as we said. Yeah. Lovely. So we got 3 rooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's see what's over here. Ding. Wow. This must be okay. This room is nice. So this room has its own bathroom inside of it. Guys, this is so nice. This got its own bathroom inside of it. You know, I like this. This is a great idea. So when you're building a place, you want to have your big king bed, right? And you get up and you just walk into your bathroom just like this. Just like this. This Airbnb is really nice. You know, it's really nice. You know, I really like it. It's really nice, guys. You know, guys, remember the link will be in the description. You guys need to come and book this Airbnb. So you know the link is going to be in the description. You know, wow. So this is called R&S Tropical Getaway. See?
Them is so lovely.
R&S tropical getaway. We have the bathroom inside. You know. Let me see what's going on. So this is another one here. Whoa. So this is a queen bed.
So the king was sleeping tonight, you know?
This is the queen bed. You know, so here same thing as well. You got a bed in here. And your
Queen bed as a king was sleeping.
a chestnut drawer.
Jeez.
Let's see the bathroom.
Yes.
Nice as well. So okay, so each room has their bathroom and toilet inside of it. So I like this idea of how they design it in the shower. So nice. So you got towels and everything. And the shower, I like the tiling of the shower. You know, I like the tiling. I like this design. It's really nice, guys. Wow, this is really surprising. You know. So, and you got your cupboards. So many doors as well too. So many drawers as well. Wow, so many drawers. Like, imagine when Esther and Dee come and Sean Arwa. Hey, they're gonna be loving this. You know, they're gonna be loving this. So that's 2 rooms. So let's check the next room. So this, okay. So this is the room with the 2 beds. You know. This is the room. This is the male room. This is the male room. 2 bed. Wow, chef. And Kino life in Jamaica. This will be the male room with the bathroom and everything. So guys, Esther is calling. Esther. Huh? In the far. I'm just calm one in I town. Oh wait, you on the toll still? Wait, you on the toll? Oh, you passed the high school? Like you letting off for the high school. Damn. Make them letting off for the high school. Guys, so they just passed Ocho High School. You know, then they're right out there. Yes guys, so this room is the next room where with the 2 beds and everything. And this is nice. So nice. R&S tropical getaway in Ocho Rios. Guys, you need to go and book this out. Check it out. Right, we need to go and book this out and check it out. Imagine them just past the high school, so I'm gonna go get them. So here is the laundry room. We all washing can get done, so you know we cannot go back with no dirty clothes. So this is the laundry room. This is it. And over here, oh, that one is closed. So guys, so this is it, living room. I like the table. So we have table for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's draw one aside, 7. And the clock on the wall. Tell you the time. Tell it. Yeah, Esther. Can you hear it? The court. Alright, I'm gonna drive, come on now. Oh, the courts. Okay. And they're close. Alright. Now drive out now. Alright, so guys.
Station, internet on TV.
Yeah, my internet there. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pick them up and come back, right? We'll get them and come back. So. AC. Hey. Stay yours as well too. Yeah. Yeah. You need as well to Sean? No. Okay, alright. IDs. Guys, see I just picked up my runaways. I caught them down on the Ocho Highway.
Escape.
Yeah.
Escape.
Those trying to escape. So I'll go and get them guys. So we're here with Sean.
Yeah.
No? Wagwan.
That is
And we have Esther over there.
government ID.
Yes. And we have the Empress.
Alright, as Kino says, that is it, peeps. Welcome back to Ochi. I had really missed this place, guys. Open, I want to go out.
Oh, you're locked in.
Open. Yeah, guys, I really missed Ochi. You know, I used to live here. For good minds, this place used to be my home. Oh my gosh, it just feels so good to be back. It feels so good. So welcome back. Please subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Let's get him to 100k. We need a silver button for him before the end of the year. So please subscribe and welcome to the beautiful Jamaica. Normally they don't show you how beautiful this is, but yep, here we are, courtesy of Kino Life in Jamaica.
You know the thing go, guys. You know how it go. Indeed. Are you getting short or am I getting tall?
You're getting tall.
Oh, I know why. It's the shoes. The shoes got inches, guys. No, my shoes got inches.
Oh, your shoes got inches.
Yes, so guys, I grow 3 more inches, I think. You know, I like it here, guys. Look, lovely.
Thank you.
You know,
That is it.
ain't she looking different today?
We are in Jamaica.
That is it. Here, and we have Sean. Huh?
You don't go inside?
Yeah, but they're taking in the fresh air.
Oh, okay.
So guys, so are you ready to go inside, D?
That is it.
So guys, so all right then. So them say shoes, all shoes outside. It's the rules set, you know,
Our shoes are
by the government of Jamaica.
okay.
Hey, it's nice. So remember, come on, guys, feel free. Feel free. You are more than welcome.
Thank you. Wow, guys. Central.
Eating.
Hey, give me a tour then.
All right then. So welcome to Kino's humble home. Right. Remember, it's R&S Tropical Getaway. The link will be in the description. So you know, in some country they call this settee. In Jamaica we call it couch.
No, you call it settee in Jamaica.
No, we call it couch.
Couch, sofa, settee.
Yeah, couch, sofa, settee. So we got 3 names.
Chair.
But is it settee Jamaica main
It's a
one?
love seat. The two is
Settee,
love
right?
seat. Love seat. Yeah, this is the love seat. Hey, that
Yeah.
one is new, Sean. Love seat.
Yeah.
That is it.
It mean if you love to see it.
Love seat.
No, love
Yeah.
seat because they're two.
It's
Love
2.
seat.
Yes, well, it's,
Yeah.
yeah.
My love
Three.
seat.
Three and then this is the love seat.
I don't know about that one. Alright, so over here.
The one I most love, that one I call love seat.
Yes.
Yeah, so you love the love seat.
Yeah. It's got 2 hearts.
Love, you know, two. I know some me fellow one, yeah.
Mhm.
That one too.
Then guys, we have the kitchen. It looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
Anyways. Okay, I love how it's designed. Okay, this is really beautiful.
Sure.
Clean. We have the cooker right here. We have coffee maker, toaster. Hey, this one I will never have it in my future house, but it's okay for those who love it. The microwave.
The microwave.
Yeah. Hey, finally, Sean, we can put it ugali. Guys, you don't know for how long I've been looking for the wooden stick to cook ugali.
So finally you find it. But listen, it's like they know we're coming in numbers. We got some big pots. Look, we got some big pots.
To cook, guys.
Big pots, you know. And
Then you heard I get the wash and heard I get the wash.
Get divorced, you know.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, 3 years now?
Oh wow, guys, you have the fridge, you have drinks in here. It's also creative.
the clock on the wall.
Alright, now the bedrooms.
Hey.
With the coins for people to choose. We also have the flow option.
But the thing is, if you're gonna flip the coins only for 2 rooms, because you know the mail room, I already remember the mail room is already there, so it's for the 2.
Then no need then.
Alright, so let's go ahead. Yes.
Alright, there's one of the bedrooms.
Woo!
This is how it looks like. Wow, it's so big. Let me open the windows so that you guys can see properly.
We got lights.
Damn. Yep. Wow.
Oh, that's what the light.
Yeah, the lighting is good. You can also see the outside from here. So this is the bed. Oh, I love it. You know, the theme of this bed is more of a beach, you know?
Don't you?
And I love how wooden it is. It looks really nice.
Wow.
Very clean. This is nice. It has a TV on the wall.
This guy say, you know, I'm gonna walk to the pool now, but guess what? Yes, I'm gonna take the members them to the pool, you know, Wow Chef and the team. But I'm not gonna swim yet. I need to go to get some stuff so we can go and cook. So I'm just showing them where the pool is, and then I know say when I get back I will swim, you know, because there were so many people down by the pool already, so I never get no chance to get in it. So hello. So we just head in there. Hello.
That is it.
That is it. Resort babies out and about. Resort babies out and about. Wow, Chef. You said that t-shirt out. Hey. Yeah. Wow, Chef says taking a one picture na tish. Has she do it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I said it's so mad. Are you bad?
Guys, check out this neighborhood. It's so nice. It is so nice.
But I don't think she'll wake up right now.
She? Tomorrow morning I can see her. Well, egg, she make egg them.
Be careful, baby.
Well, most for egg. Yeah.
So we'll stretch, a warm up. Oh, Chef, I warm up to go jump in the pool. Oh, Chef, I stretch to get in the pool. Imagine that, yeah? You know, you're at the Olympic, the swim team. Yeah. So, oh, Chef is a part of the swim team.
So don't pull her body already. Be a cool but pull her body already.
That is. Hey.
The time, you're going to the time pull it, not pull.
Yeah.
Pull her body, girl.
Hey, two-pack, wow. Wow pack.
Are you tight neat? You say I'm tight, you know?
Yeah. Is the wow pack, not two-pack, wow pack. 6 feet deep.
4 feet, not 6 feet.
They say, oh, Chef, you're telling us that no one's around there. Yeah. So we should leave then.
Really? You two have to come back.
Yeah. I leave him and Natisha around here. The guys, here is the pool. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain.
I just feel like doing it. Hey, must say, hey girl, hey, and I turn over. But you can't see it. Queen. You can't see yourself. We want it.
Whoa, that is it. So guys, so the pool is, it's not that deep. It's about 4. It's about 4 feet.
You know, you cannot swim here. It's too shallow for you.
Of course I can swim.
The water will reach you here.
All if it's at my ankle, I can swim in it. Even if it's at my ankle or my toe,
You can still
I can
swim.
still swim. Even a bad pan I can swim. Can float. Oh, it's a wasp. Oh, Chef. Mindful. You know what it feel like when you get bite by a wasp. But you're not swimming today, right?
Not really. Not now. Later.
That is it.
Let them see. Those ones to see.
Yeah.
I'm trying to kind of avoid the water because I have a flu.
Oh, you have a flu? Oh my days. She gonna swim like that? This pool is nice. You see, it's not that big as well. This probably could have hole in the backyard.
Yeah.
You see?
It's not even big.
Yeah. So this could have hole in the backyard. You know?
But maybe because of the water system, because of the piping.
Yeah. Whoa. What go on? You're not swimming? Natish, what's going on? Jim. Teresa, you're not swimming? Wanna come out? Not.
It's nothing. It's nothing completely, and you're so tall.
Yeah. It's so. Yo, chuck off and show them. Oh, come see men for going in the water. I thought you're gonna swim. Natish, come, make a chuck off, man. What's going on? Oh. Oh, them said no lifeguard on duty. No, I am the lifeguard today. The sign said no lifeguard on duty, sir.
Them said no diving.
You can even jump. It's not like, you know. I wish I had my bikini. I could show them the thing. Go.
You can't come see me enough clothes. Come now.
You can go topless.
I can go topless.
I never say go topless. I say come in the pool same. Look like a bathroom.
She know and show them how the thing go.
What is that?
And it was.
Just remove it like this.
Whoa, Natish gone in. Whoa.
Put Natish tell me water. Tell me no.
Whoa, Natish gone in.
Tina, come kill him.
Eh? No, it's good, man. Make him go on now.
Kill him. I'm going to turn back far away.
Poor was.
And then what here back here?
Alright, good. A baby pool, man. It's a baby pool. Oh, chef, I have to show them how the thing go.
Johnny Ring go, no? Come chop, man.
Guys, this place is nice. I'm not even lying. I like the way how them set it up. You know, it's really nice. To be honest, you know. And you can see they're building a next gated community as well too. As I was driving in, there's another one down there that they're building up, and over there you have another one as well too. You know, called Country Club as well too. And here we got this one. So guys, so the link will be in the description. You know, the link will be in the description, so you know you can go and you can check them out, book it out, you know, book it out. You know the thing goes already, guys. So yes, keep doing what you're doing. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. So it is a nice neighborhood, as you can see. You know me, I really like to walk and explore. You know, I can show you what it's like. Up here is the way you can find the pool and everything. You know, over here is called Clover Boulevard. You know, but I like it. It's not that big because behind that house is the end of the wall, and right there is the next end of the wall. So it's not that big. And if you can see the house at the top there, that is the end of the wall as well too. So it's like it's a small surrounding. It's not that big, you know. Probably not too much houses, you know, around here. And you have a gym inside as well too. So I'm not sure if it's open. So I'm gonna check and see if the gym is open. I think this will be the reception, right? All right, here's closed. So the gym is in here. So this is the gym. in here, but I think the gym is closed as well. I guess. Yeah, the gym is closed. So I think the gym have a time when it's closed. So it's closed now and everything. Whoa, so you change your mind from swimming? Huh? Nothing. I just probably come back and swim. Oh, so in here is the. Oh, in here is nice. It's like a bar area, TV, like a snooker club. You know, like in the day when you're out here, this is probably open because I think it's closed now. No, it's closed as well too. It is closed. Aye. Big up yourself. Big up.
What I say?
Big up yourself, man.
Big up.
Spotted from up there so a while ago, man.
Okay.
Huh?
So you was.
Them say the gym have a key in the room.
But I was look.
Yeah, for the gym. Yeah.
I look on people too much. Nobody say.
Oh, yeah, look for me.
Yeah, looking at what
which part they stay?
You look like someone I know.
I say it to myself, but I just never say it out loud.
Yeah.
But then when I check into the gate,
they're runners,
you're going to have to ask them.
Oh.
Right here, sir.
And he spot me from afar.
Yes.
Because he was all the way up the road. He spot me from afar.
Yeah, I want to see one. Yeah, I want.
Yeah.
Watch the channel, man.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. You know, guys. Respect, man. Respect for watching. So give your channel a shout out.
Okay, so my channel is Shan Alexi. Yeah, Shan Alexi. So SHAN ALEXIA.
That is it.
Yeah.
The guys say you can give her a check out, you know. How many subscribers you got now?
Real. Like about 9,000.
Okay.
Almost 10K. Someone got 10K.
So, alright then,
Yeah.
so she's on the road to 10K, guys.
That's
you can
the
give
goal.
her a, whoa. You're ready. You're stretching. Olympic style. You know, show them where all the thing go. Yeah, man. Hey, blessed love. Welcome. You know, this is Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, look at that. You know, we're here with another subscriber. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You know, it goes already. It's always nice to meet our subscriber or viewer anywhere we go. You know, and look at this. You know, look how far we are now. We're back in Ochi. Ochi is like our second home right now. Because we're always down here. You know, so guys, if you're watching,
like and subscribe.
Yeah, man. So remember, guys, so like and subscribe. If you like what's going on, please like it same way, man. If you don't like it, still subscribe. You know, you will get to like it at the end of the day. Subscribe to our channel. Please don't just watch. Subscribe. Same way. If you're watching, like, share, and subscribe. It's not costing you sleep.
Yeah.
That is it. Yeah. You ready? That is it. All right, easy. Ready? That is it. All right, see there. You ready?
Ready,
Yeah. Yes. Oh, it's 12 foot deep. Don't try to stand up. All right, then take care, yeah? Oh, she was like you're taking a lot of water, boy.
A t-shirt cool and nice. You can't move, come here. No, you can't swim.
Yeah.
Stay by yourself.
Come on, Gina, so race. Come on, t-shirt.
Yeah.
Come on. You cannot swim, I cannot race.
You can't walk, kill them and sit there.
Can I walk?
Show them how the thing go out, chef, man. See him go all the way down.
Walk by yourself.
Yeah. That is it. Red House. Remember the Red House swimming, you know? Red House. Oh, chef have 2 art, guys. Watch chef have 2 arts, you know. So anyway it goes already. Yeah, same. Yeah, so if one feel him, he's got another one. You know.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.